Now then, right, day 6 on the Rewire. I'm a little bit behind. I've been a little bit ill, so that's why I'm coughing. I'm trying not to cough my guts up, but all family's ill at the moment, which is a bit of a nightmare. So, but we're back at work, grafting my ass off to get this Rewire done, so there's no delays. And now I've second fixed sockets upstairs. I've been doing a bit of second fixing this afternoon. Decided I had a little bit of spare time. I rewired downstairs sockets, so I had a little bit of spare time. I had a couple of hours. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make a start on this second fixing. Finish second fixing tomorrow completely, including extract fan. I've got outside light and stuff. I'll do bonding today as well, and then which will leave Thursday to get the board in. Hopefully, I think. Yeah, I'm joking. I think realistically, board done Thursday, bit of testing, probably gonna have to come back for half a day, which I've got booked in on the Monday, just to remove everything and make sure everything's right as well. I don't like rushing off of a job knowing there's little artifact bits, so I like a couple of hours just to get myself sorted, especially on these bigger jobs, get myself sorted and get it all buttoned up so I can walk away happy. So yeah, so here we are. Look, we've got a little bit of second fixing there and there on the upstairs. I still haven't done bathroom. I had time, but I didn't. Put all the boards down there now, which is a massive bonus. Here we are now, we're looking at downstairs sockets. Missing a little bit of feel, not much you can do there. Cables are okay plastered over. I just don't like it. I think now I'm going to have to trim that down a little bit because it's a little bit low. But this is all good. Let's see the outside light. So that's off centre, but it's right for the light fitting. So look, it's still a mess. It's a mess. They're ready for the telephone point. Not really much anyway different really now. Got all the boards back down as well. I'm going to move that extract. And here we are again, back to this, which I did the other day. So a couple more sockets there, happy days. Like I say, I reckon realistically 2.5 days without rushing around and ballsing things up. So I'd rather take my time, get it right, with testing and stuff like that, and labelling and all these extra little bits. Don't want to make sure they don't get forgotten about. But that is it, day 6, I think day 6. We were day 3 last time. I had Thursday on it, Friday I were ill, Monday and then Tuesday today. So we are day 6, end of day 6, so it's not doing too bad. So we're looking about 8.5 days, I think, really, to get it done and buttoned up. So yeah, I'll do another vid, probably last day when I'm celebrating that I finished. Alright, I'll catch you in a bit.